So right now, I want you to close your eyes and imagine na nagja-jog tayo sa isang lugar. Pwedeng city, pwedeng park, pwedeng kahit saan. And then we have to turn right. Anong next natin gagawin? Of course, we have to pause. And then, check natin sa phone natin kung nasaan na tayo. And that pause is actually the moment where accident happens. Yung moment na yon, ang problema na kailangan nating i-eliminate. So, a pleasant morning to each and every one of you. We are the Triatech Kiaras, and today we are pitching NeuroStride Navigator System, the world's first brain signal system that actually guides your feet completely screen-free. Next slide, please.
Okay, so next is the problem. So these are the three major issues na kinakaharap natin sa kasalukuyan. First is the distraction danger, ang mga aksidente sa pedestrian dahil sa phone use habang naglalakad ay tumataas taon-taon. Bakit? Kasi hindi ka ganun ka-aware sa iyong paligid habang nakatingin ka sa screen ng iyong phone. Pangalawa, no screen-free options. Smartphone man yan, smartwatch o fitness band, lahat pa rin kailangan ng iyong mga mata. Wala pa talagang nakakapagbigay ng tunay na hands-free navigation. Pangatlo, at ito ang pinaka-importanting part, ang accessibility gap. Ang mga taong may kapansanan sa paningin ay halos walang choice. And yung mga existing PWD devices ay nagkakahalaga ng halagang 199,500 and limitado pa rin yung features nila. So, hindi pa rin makatarungan yung price nila para sa mga features ng kanilang mga products. So, kaya naman ipinapakilala namin ang NeuroStride Navigator as our solution to these problems. And ang tagline namin ay simple. Think it, walk it, and arrive. So ito ang world first wearable system na nagbabasa ng inyong brain signals para gabayan ang iyong mga paa. Walang screen, walang kamay, walang phone na kailangan. Isipin mo ito, mag-isip ka lang ng iyong destination and ang NeuroStride na ang bahala sa lahat. May tatlong key numbers lang na kailangan ninyong matandaan. First is zero screen needed. Next, tatlong devices lang ang buong system. And ang kaya niyong isupport is umaabot ng 150 kilograms. And ang puso ng sistema, ang NeuroStride Smart Shoes, na direktang naghahatid ng navigation guidance sa inyong mga paa mismo. And then next,
So next, we have the complete system. We have the Neuralink Halo and the model uh, NL Halo 01. So, this is the first component na merong EEG brain signal. Uh, it also has a built-in GPS navigation at tinatrack niya rin yung heart rate monitoring and nagsisync yung uh, data nito sa shoes. Next, we have the NeuroStride Smart Shoes, model NS Shoe 01. So, ang shoes naman na to, meron siyang haptic motors na ginaguide ang user sa mga direction. And it also tracks your pace, your steps, and meron siyang IPX6 waterproofing and meron siyang detachable module design. So next we have the Sync Dock Core. Ito yung nagsisilbing data hub and charging port ng ating mga device na si Neuralink Halo at si NeuroStride Smart Shoes. And gumagamit siya ng USB-C or iOS or Android ports for transferring, and meron din siyang software updates. Next. Next, bakit nga ba si NeuroStride ang pambato natin? So, unang-una meron siyang brain signal control. Ito yung kapag naiisip lang natin, dito nangyayari yung magic actually. Kapag naiisip natin siya, isisend niya sa haptic shoe guidance yung brain signals na kailangan ng ating system. So, kung halimbawa naisip kong pumunta sa ganitong lugar, ang data signals or yung brain signals natin isesend niya sa haptic shoes or sa shoes para i-guide niya tayo kung saan tayo pupunta. And then we have the fully phone free. Dahil meron siyang built-in GPS, hindi na siya nagre-require ng phone or ng app habang nasa labas tayo. And then we have the IPX6 waterproof. And then the detachable module. Yung detachable module naman, like yung shoe haptic neto, naaalis siya sa mismong footwear and you can actually use it or put it to another footwear. And then yung inclusive by design, actually accessible to for PWDs. And yun nga, no screen interaction needed.
For market, for market opportunity naman, mabilis lumaki yung market for smart wearables. Kaya umabot ng 17.33 trillion by 2029 at halos 18.58% naman ang growth every year. So, ibig sabihin, sobrang laki ng demand plus yung assistive tech para sa accessibility nito. Aabot pa ng 1.84 trillion. So, hindi lang ito pang trend or hype talaga. So, who is our target users? Hindi lang mga tech people, kundi dinisign din ito para sa mga joggers and runners, daily commuters, student, elderly, athletes, at lalo na sa mga visually impaired. So basically, kahit sino na gusto ng mas safe at smart na navigator, pwedeng mag-avail nito. Next.
So next, we have the competitive edge. So makikita natin yung mga features. We have hand-free navigation, no screen needed, brain signal controls, phone independence, works for PWDs and waterproofing. So meron tayo dito yung mga units. We have the smartphone, smartwatch, and Fitbit. So makikita natin dito na limited lang siya for hands-free navigation. So yung smartphone, yes, gumagamit pa rin tayo ng gagamitan pa rin natin siya ng mata. So for smartwatch naman, yun nga, hindi pa rin natin maalis yung paggamit natin sa mga mata natin for checking. And then the Fitbit, wala siyang actual na data. So, yung NeuroStride naman, sinasagot niya lahat or makikita naman natin na it checks all of the 6 boxes from hands-free to waterproofing. Next.
For the pricing and revenue model naman, the first one is Smart Shoes. Naghahalaga ito ng 12,999. Ito yung nagbibigay ng haptic feedback para i-guide ang mga user habang naglalakad. Sa Neuralink Halo naman, naghahalaga ito ng 9,999. Ito yung parang headband na may GPS at brain signal integration. Last naman is Doctor. It costs 1,999. Ito yung nagsisilbing charger at data hub ng mga product. Maaari mo din itong avail ng full system or yung tatlong product in just 24,999. Meron din itong app na maaaring i-download. Meron itong premium subscription. Naghahalaga ito ng 299 per month. Next. So, sa investor naman, meron tayong investment, kailangan ng 6.5 to start. possible kumita ng 34.97 million in just 3 years. Sa ROI naman, meron itong around 538%. Tapos, for every 1 peso mo, may balik itong 5.38 peso. Next.
So, we are meeting the team. So behind the Neuro Stride Navigator system, we have the Trio Tech Tiaras, and I am CJ Nicole Lansangan, your hoster, your business development and strategist.
And I am Christina Cassandra Sinunag, the hacker and the technology and systems development.
And I am Bernardo Sopinico, the hipster, the design and creative direction.
Next, and that is the future of navigation, is wearing the shoes. So this is where the mind becomes the map, and that's all. Invest in the future.